In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change time on Tradingview. Getting your chart's time settings right is a small tweak that makes a big difference, especially if you follow markets across regions or want your candles and session starts to line up with your routine. I'll walk you through changing the time zone and adjusting the time format so what you see on the chart matches how you think about your trading day. First, let's change the time zone. The quickest way is at the bottom right corner of your chart, where you'll see the current time display. Click that time zone to open the time zone selector. If you prefer navigating through settings, you can also use the gear icon to open chart settings. Inside chart settings, go to the symbol tab, then find the time zone option. Either route leads to the same place, so use whichever is more comfortable. Once you make a selection, you'll see the timestamps on the time axis update immediately, which helps you confirm the change at a glance. Next, choose the time zone that fits your workflow. You can set it to your local time if you like your charts aligned with your daily schedule. That makes it easy to track market activity without converting in your head. If you trade a specific instrument and want to see times exactly as that exchange runs them, choose the exchange time option. This is helpful for watching opens, closes, and session breaks as the market itself defines them. You can also pick a specific city, such as New York or London. City-based time zones automatically adjust for daylight saving, which removes the guesswork during those seasonal shifts. If you track multiple markets, it's often convenient to use the exchange time for each chart so key events always appear when they actually happen at the venue. Finally, set your preferred time format. In chart settings, go to the Scales and Lines section and look for the time hours format. Here you can switch between a 12-hour clock with AM and PM or a 24-hour clock. Choose the format that feels most natural. This affects how time appears on your horizontal axis and anywhere the chart displays timestamps. Clear, familiar labels reduce mistakes when you are scanning entries, exits, or news-driven moves. That's it. With your time zone and time format dialed in, your Tradingview charts will be easier to read, more consistent, and better aligned with the markets you follow.